In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Klarna cannot create account in 2026. The first thing you're going to do is ensure that your name, your email, date of birth, and address are correct, and use your real information that matches your ID because you'll have to verify it later on. Also, make sure that your email is active and accessible. You can try a different email address if you keep getting errors. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check eligibility requirements as well. Make sure that you're 18 plus in a valid country and region, a valid phone number, past identity verification, and no history of fraud or chargebacks. Also, make sure that you have verified your phone number, enter the correct phone number, and check your SMS messages. Always use a stable and secure internet connection and avoid VPNs, proxies, or public Wi-Fi networks. If that is not the case, your app might have a potential update. Simply go ahead and update it, or you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.